Fire alarms are used to detect large amounts of smoke. When heat or factors cause a fire, an alarm can generate an alarm. The electrical part of the gas fire extinguishing alarm system may include fire alarm controller, smoke detector, temperature detector, emergency start-stop button, deflation indicator light, stable development and we have long-term cooperation with many clients.